let's explain what support and resistance is. So I'm in USDCAD. I'm in a 4-hour mark. So resistance will always be at the top, just like it's resisting, just put it like this. It's resisting going through, resisting going up. Support, your support lines or support zones will be at the bottom. It's supporting your trades. It's supporting the market, supporting at the bottom. You have your support, you support anything is going to be at the bottom. And resistance is going to be at the top. So those are your support and resistance lines, right? So we're going to draw some. I'm in my broker now. We're going to go over here. We're going to get the horizontal line indicator. You want to draw your support and resistance lines in the higher time frames. And then you can slowly move down to the lower time frame. So right now I'm in a 4-hour time frame, right? So we're going to draw a resistance line is at the top. We're going to draw a resistance line up here. And we're going to draw it up here because it hit this point more than once. So it hit it here yesterday and it hit it here again. And when you're drawing your lines, you don't want to necessarily draw them on the wick. Try to keep them on the candlesticks where it's full, where it ended or began. But anyway, this is a good one. We're looking at this. It's up here in the higher time frame. More than likely, it's going to shoot back down. Because what it did to the left, it's going to do to the right. We can actually, let's actually make it a little larger. Okay, there you go. Now we're going to actually go down. We can draw more lines in the 4-hour mark. Let's draw one right here. That's a perfect line. As you see, it hit support right here. Over to the left, it did it over here. And this was back in June. Back in June, it hit this line right here. Came up, hit it again. Came up, hit it again. That's resistance. And when it breaks through the resistance, now it's becoming a support line. You see it came down and hit it again as support. And it came up. So that's your support and resistance line. You want to always draw them on a higher time frame and look further to the left to see what happened to the left will always happen again to the right. And as you see now, it's an uptrend. It's an uptrend. We know it's an uptrend because it made higher highs. Like this is a high right here. It went up. Hold on. Let's draw another support and resistance line right here like this. You see this point? It hit this point once, twice. It made it support in, bust through the support. Now it's resistance. Came up, hit it again. Came up, hit it again. It hit it like 5-6 times before it came through. So you could have made some good money just all this support and resistance right here. Every time you hit the line, get in the sale. Boom. Now, it's not going to always do that, of course. It's going to eventually break through your resistance line, and then it's going to become support. So yeah. And like I said, I was on the uptrend. We know it's uptrend because it made higher highs. Right here is a high. Then it came up. It made a higher high. Right here, it matched that high to the left. And it came up and made another high. So we're making higher highs. So it's an uptrend. So therefore, what you want to do? You want to get in the high. You want to get in the buy. A buy as much as possible. So then we're going to go down in the lower time frames to actually get in a trade. See, look, it's a perfect time to get in a trade right now. I should get in this. But anyway, we're down at the 15-minute mark now. And yeah, you see, it's not going to always just hit your line and go down. It does these little fake outs right here to really get traders, really get your money. Because if it went up here, what you gonna think? Oh snap, it's gonna go up. Let me get in the buy. And what did it do? Shot right back down. So you gotta watch out for the fake outs now. Wait till it give you 3-4 confirmations of going up or down or whatnot. So yeah, now we're in the lower time frame. We can actually draw a good little support and resistance line. I see like 2 of them. Let me see. I don't necessarily like that line. That line's kind of funny, but it's okay. I kind of like it, then I don't. Okay, that's a good one. Okay, I had to move it. See where I really. Let me put it on this wick. On this candlestick. Okay, that's a good one. So I put in the 15-minute mark because what to do to the left. It hit it right here once, shot up, came down, made it a support line. It bust through actually. Just to scare you a little bit. Shot back up, came down, made the support, came up, broke through a little, shot up, came back down. So yeah, it's staying at this zone a lot. So yeah, that's support and resistance. You want to draw your lines. If it's at the top, it's going to be resistance. If it's at the bottom, it's going to be support. So yeah, watch out for. Let's go back in the higher time frame. Like I said, I always draw them in the higher time frames, right? So there we go. We're gonna start out here. This is a low. It broke that low, went higher, came down. This the high actually. We're actually waiting to see if it's gonna break this high. But yeah, draw your support and resistance line in the higher time frame, so you can get a better perspective of the market. Then you go in the lower time frame, like we drew that one, lower time frame, 15-minute. There you go. It hit it a couple times. It's probably gonna shoot down to here. And with this one, I like this one. I would actually draw a trend line. I'm just gonna throw a trend line in there. If you don't know what trend lines is, I'm sorry, going to hour time frame. Anyways, I'm trying to get this trend line how I want it. It is not how I want it at all. Can we go up a little bit? Just a little bit. Okay, beautiful. I like that trend line. I like that trend line. You can do the trend line too. Trend lines that hit certain points too. It hit it right here, bounced up, came up, tested it, it bust through it, came back up, tested it, bust up, tested it again right here, came up, came up, right here, came up. So it's an uptrend, but I'll be looking for a reversal on this one. If it breaks this high, it's going to keep going up. If it's going to keep going up. But if it gets low below my trend line and below the support line, we're looking for a reversal. We're looking to start selling. We're looking, the buyers or the sellers are hitting the market strong. So yeah, that's support and resistance, man. That's support and resistance. So yeah, let's get in this trade. Let's see, can we do something? CAD. So I think we finna get in CAD and a buy. I'm in the 15-minute mark. Drew my little, what this is, support zone. I'm doing support and resistance off this one. We're gonna see if it respected. But anyway, here's my support zone. I don't know if you see it over here. This happened 2 days ago. It hit this line. It always came back to this line. That day it came back, made a wick, respected, shot up here, start bouncing, hit that green one, shot up, came back down to the line. So yeah, this is a nice little support line, support and resistance line, support and resistance, because it used it for both, honestly. So I'm liking this, and it shot down. I wish I would have caught that shot down for real. But anyway, trying to see. I wanted to shoot up because you see I'm down in the minute mark now. But as you see, it hit that bad boy and it shot up. Now I'm looking at trading view. Hold on, let me put up trading view too. We do trading view. Let me go to USDCAD. This is my USDCAD. I already have, my stuff marked up or whatever, but I like looking at CAD. You need trading view. Trading view shows you more of a perspective, a larger perspective of the market. So like I said, uptrend, like we said and we thought. It's at a key point right here. It's at a key support zone. So yeah, we can actually get rid of this trend line right here. I don't like that trend line right there. We already drew it on our broker. But yeah. As you see, like I said, this is a low. As you see, it's an uptrend. Boom. It's broken all the lows. Came up, this ain't even a new high. This is the high right here. This is the high for the week. It hasn't broken this high. It's matched it. It's matched the high, but it hasn't broken it. So I got it going. I got it. Since at this line, it could go back up here, retest this high, and then shoot down. Or it's uptrend. Shoot, it keep going up. Could keep going up. Break this high and keep going up. So you in this instant, you take what the market gives you. You take what the market gives you. And we're back in our broker, and look, it's support. It's making a lot of support right here. So yeah, we might want to go ahead and get in the buy. Ain't no might. We are about to get in the buy. Let me see what the 15-minute mark look like. But we're not gonna stay in this bad boy for too long. I ain't even gonna hold you. A good 1-on-1 or whatever, and we out. And we're gonna put our stop loss right down here. So yeah, let's go ahead and get in there, bad boy. I don't know why I got in once. USDCAD so weak. So weak. But I'm just in it for, this just a promotional, a learning video on why I get in trades. One of my students just texted me. Oh man. But anyway, hold on. Let's take our line down here. This is gonna be our stop loss. Stop loss right there. And oh Lord, take profit. Oh Lord, if it hit my take profit, I'll move. Okay. We're gonna set our take profit too high. Cause like I said, it's a downtrend, so I'm really with the down. Just get a couple dollars. It could be way higher if my lot size was, huge. But I'm just trying to make a couple dollars just to show you. This is a good strategy. This is what this is. This support and resistance strategy. Support and resistance. When you see it set in this, support or resistance line for so long, it's gonna go the opposite way. Just thinking about it. But this one is tricky. Cause like I said, it's a downtrend. But you see what it does to the left, it does to the right. So I'm gonna stop talking. And we're just gonna see what it do. Hold your trades. You got in for a reason. You got in for a reason. So we're gonna let it hit that. I'm back to not talking. And we're gonna see what it do. Let go. There you go. It shot up and got us our little 1-to-1. Could have stayed in it longer. Could have got in it a lot bigger too, but my challenge almost over. It's crazy. You need 5 minimum days to pass the challenge or whatever. I'm on my 4th day. I'm gonna put my profits down. But anyway, this was just a little support and resistance learning video on when to get in trades. I'll break it down one more time or whatever. But as you see, let's go into the higher time frame. I go into higher time frames to dictate when I'm going to get in. This is a good mark. But anyway, we drew this support line because of what it did in the past. Let me slide over a little bit. We can go all the way over here to 2-3 days ago. Look how many times it hit the line. It'll shoot through. It ain't always gonna do what you want to do. But came back down, came right back to my support. To my support line, shot up, whatever. Came right back to the line. Today, this morning, came down, shot up, came right back down to the line. Eventually, it ain't just gonna keep doing this, but eventually it just shoot straight down past your line. But anyways, it kept hitting our support line and it shot up. Then we go in the 4-hour mark. Make it a little bigger. Anyway, drew my trend line and it's right there on the trend line, man. So, well, actually, the trend line actually ain't had nothing to do with it today. That just showed me. I drew the trend line because they've been respecting the trend line too. You see it hit it here, hit it here, hit it here, hit it here, and shot back up. But it's an uptrend. It's an uptrend, as you see. The trend is going up. It's broken a bunch of highs. Broke this high right here, made this high. It's broken a bunch of highs. So, uptrend, you want to get in the buy if you can. Get in the best buy. But look at that bad boy. It's still going up. So yeah, support and resistance does work. That's one of my strategies. I'm making a video. I do support and resistance. I bust a trend line in there. Supply and demand. My trade I won earlier was supply and demand. I just couldn't record it. That's crazy. But anyway, this is support. This is a support and resistance. I don't know why. So close to the mic. The support and resistance line. Look at it. Goodness gracious. Still going up, man. Still shooting up. But that's it for this video, man. Support and resistance. Let's get it.